Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll and find General Management, it's right here. Let's tap on it and click on Language and Input. Choose language, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. If you want to add new one, just tap on Add a Language, and as you can see here, we've got the list of languages which are suggested by Samsung. So if you cannot find the language you want to use, then tap on the three dots icon and tap on All Languages, and as you can see here, we've got much more options to choose from. So let me get back to the suggested by Samsung and let's choose something. Let's find the language, for example the French, and if you want to change the language, simply tap on the one you want to use. If you can choose the region, if you've got some options to choose from, then simply tap on it, and now you can decide if you want to set the new language as a default, or we can keep current, so we will leave the English as a main language. So let me pick set as default. As you can see, it immediately appears at the very top of the list, and the whole menu from now on will be in the French. Now let me show you how to remove the language, or simply how to get back to English. Firstly, let's go to the language, and now you can tap on the English, and as you can see now you can swipe it to the very first position. Now let's get back, and as you can see the language has been changed to English immediately. Now in order to remove the language, simply tap on the one you want to remove and click on remove. Make sure that it is marked. Click on remove, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.